Well, hey guys, welcome back. I think this is going to be the final update on the bike. I think we've been on some very long trips on this, so we're getting more confidence in the fix. And let me tell you what the things I did to it first. First, I lubed the freewheel by spraying that lube in. I'll put a playlist up here, somewhere up here, to let you know everything we did to the bike to get it. The problem was when you reverse pedal, the chain would sag and it would pop off and just be a mess. You couldn't ride it. So first, lubing the freewheel helped a little bit. Still happened though, came off less frequently, but it still came off. So I still have that freewheel wobble. I think you'll see that in one of the other videos if you watch all those. And that's just, it kind of goes up and down. I checked the axle, it's not bent. Everything's fine in there. So what I ended up doing was just replacing the hub bearings. Let me show you what I used. I bought this bearing kit off of Amazon. You can see there's, I think the back ones were 1/4-inch bearings. Most bikes I think are 1/4-inch bearings on the back hub. Don't quote me on that, but from my research, that's what I saw. So it was really easy. You just, you take it all apart again and pull the old bearings out. I use this magnet tool. I have this little telescoping magnet tool. You can pull all the old bearings out, get them out of there, and then just grease up the hub. I just used like regular all-purpose grease, just did it with my finger, and then added the bearings in. So it's been on 2 really long rides, so I think we're good for now. We never could have made those long rides before without this fix, so that's where we're at, guys. Last update on the bike, replacing the bearings seemed to do it. Now if I do have trouble, I will make another video, but the next step for me would be to replace that freewheel. And then last step would be to replace the chains, because that chain could be stretched a little bit. But anyway, that's where we're at. I think we're good now. Like I said, if we have trouble, we'll make another one. We'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.